This is how to make this paper unfold effect in Premiere Pro. You can get the template on adobebasics.com. Click and drag this green screen clip to the timeline. You can find it in the description below. Now apply the Ultra Key effect to it, and in Effects Controls, click on the dropper tool and then click on the blue color to remove it. Now move to the point where the green screen paper is fully unfolded, and then drag the object above it in the timeline. Now select the object and position and resize it so it fits inside the green screen. To avoid any issues, you also need to right-click, nest, and then click on OK. Now apply the Track Matte Key effect to the green screen clip, and in Effects Controls, select the track with your nested layer on it, which should be Video 2. Now duplicate the nested layer and move it up one track. Then select the bottom two layers. Right-click and select Nest, and then click on OK. Now move the object layer all the way to the bottom and the other layer above it. Then apply the Track Matte Key effect to the object layer and set the matte to Video 2. And last but not least, duplicate the top layer and move it up one track, and then apply the Ultra Key effect to it. Now click on Key Color and then on the green screen to remove it. If you get this great look on the object, just expand Matte Generation and set the shadow to 0. Link in the description below. Like and follow for more quick tech hacks.